Hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about the ultimate real estate Facebook funnel with which you can generate 100 plus quality leads per week on demand. This is the ultimate real estate funnel where you send different traffic from other sources like Facebook, Google AdWords, YouTube, LinkedIn, and all those traffic is sent to a landing page. In the landing page, you give complete details about your real estate project, including the floor plans, the social proof, and the amenities and all other details which will help the customer to give the details, the mobile number or email IDs, and we collect all those details, and all those details are sent to a auto responder systems and tools like Zapier, which will help to send across different introductory emails, SMS to potential customers about your project. And also with Zapier tool you can send an reminder about the leads captured to your telecalling team, where this telecalling team will call your customers within seconds or few minutes, and they will explain all about the project, and they'll answer all the questions that your potential customers have, and they'll schedule a site visit. So when these potential customers are they come to the site visit, and your sales team will persuade them by explaining about the complete project and make the sales. That's how this real estate funnel works. I'm also put a special training for you on these complete details: how to set up a landing page, how to target exact right audience, and how you can automate the complete real estate sales process. And apart from, I also given real estate ebook and exclusive Facebook, and I'm also going to support you for next 3 months, and I have also given a client proposal PPT so that you can get your first real estate client. You can check out the special training link in the description below. These are the 5 key steps, to become successful online for a real estate client. So step one is you identify the best traffic sources like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, and other organic sources and online portals. And the second one is how compelling is your ad copy and your ad image, and are you targeting the right audience, and how is your landing page uh, set up, and whether you have given complete details, floor plans, and the project details. And no if you don't have any website or landing page, you can always use Facebook lead forms. And the key is how fast you are going to call these prospects within few seconds using automated tools such as Zapier, and automated email system such as ConvertKit and GetResponse. Now, if you don't have any website or landing page, you can use this simple real estate Facebook lead form funnel. Now, the traffic here is the Facebook, and all the traffic that comes to a lead form. In the lead form, you collect the details such as the name and mobile number, job title, and what is the budget of your potential customer. And you can also ask a few other questions, to get those quality leads. And all these leads are using autoresponder and Zapier tools. You send across to a Google Drive or a CRM tool, and from there you already set up a predefined emails and SMS. Those will be sent automatically in real time whenever these customers have given their details. and also immediately your telecalling team is going to call your potential customer with their name and answer all their questions and schedule a site visit, and your sales team who is at the site visit will persuade your potential customer to buy your project. And this is how you get an automated email notification about the lead details like email id, phone number, and all other details. This will happen in real time when you call, when your telecalling team will call your prospect customers. They will feel wow, and when you answer all those people questions, definitely they are going to convert and sales are going to happen. These are the skills you require as a marketer to become successful online with real estate client. Facebook advertising, copywriting, and ad image design, and simple email marketing. You have to set up a simple email marketing, sending across the collaterals, introductory emails about your project, and site visit details, and location map. Those details you have to send across email. That is very simple, that I am going to tell you in the training program. And you should also know about the Zapier tool, how to use, how to set up, and how to automate the complete sales process. And you'd also be able to know how to design a beautiful landing pages to collect the leads and build your email list. These are the different tools that you can use for the email marketing. You can use GetResponse or ConvertKit, and for complete automation you can use Zapier tool. And you should be absolutely okay with the Facebook ad platform. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I am going to tell you step by step process how to set up a Facebook business account, how to run ads, and how to target exact people, how to set up a lead form, and how to ask different questions, and the best way to target, and the what are the different strategies we have used for our clients to generate quality leads and make sales and revenue for our clients. Those are the things that I am going to discuss in my training program. And for landing pages, you can always use Elementor Pro, a page builder, or ClickFunnels tools if you have budget. And you should also use WhatsApp and some SMS gateway systems. In my special training program, I'm going to cover you these 11 modules. The first one is understanding the client and the competitors, and what is the location, and what are the customer expectation, and creating customer persona to come up with compelling ad copy. And what how you can use this real estate Facebook funnel, and how to run Facebook ads for real estate, even if you are a beginner and if you don't have any Facebook advertising skills, or even if you have any technical skills. You are going to learn how to generate quality leads using my training program, and how to create a beautiful landing page, and simple way to set up a email marketing system, and SMS and other communications. I'm also going to give you some 5 files, and how to process the complete sales process using Zapier. And here the turnaround time is the key, and because the real estate um, other competitor also have budgets and teams working to capture these prospects. So you have to call your prospects immediately within few seconds, and convert those leads into a site visit, so that you will make more sales. And I'm also going to tell you now what are the budgets you have to um, put in Facebook advertisement, and how you can send a proposal to your real estate client, how to win your first real estate client, and what are the top traffic sources for real estate, and what are the tools, and how to set up those tools, and uh, generate these quality leads on autopilot. All these things I'm going to tell you about in my exclusive paid training. These are the exclusive bonuses that you are going to get once you buy my program. Bonus one is real estate ebook where I have uh, explained everything in detail step by step, and this is a step by step guide for a beginners how to sell real estate online even if you don't have any Facebook advertising and technical skills. I'm also going to support you with weekly calls and answer all your doubts. And I also have a private VIP Facebook group where I support each and every one of my students and help them to generate results for their real estate client. I'm also going to tell you about how to send a winning pitch deck. I am also going to give you a client proposal template, to get your first real estate client. These are the different bonuses that you are going to get from me, you know, for only rupees 497. Click the link that I have given in the description of this video, and see you in the training program. Bye bye.